Maruti Suzuki has collaborated with DaveAI to develop a WhatsApp chatbot. The WhatsApp chatbot serves as a round-the-clock assistant for users interested in Maruti Suzuki cars, allowing for informative conversations. The chatbot leverages advanced NLP capabilities to process user queries with precision. It supports multimedia responses, offering text, images, and documents tailored to meet specific user needs. The chatbot offers a structured, step-by-step journey for users, featuring guided flows and idle and active nudges that lead them through their queries efficiently. The chatbot is equipped with API integration capabilities, allowing it to connect with other systems and enhance its functionality. Since its deployment, the WhatsApp chatbot has engaged over 4 lakh users and handled more than 27 lakh queries. Over 5,000 showroom visit bookings have been successfully facilitated, reflecting the chatbot's role in driving in-person engagement. It has streamlined the test drive process, with over 10,000 test drive bookings made through the chatbot so far. The chatbot has also supported 82,000+ brochure downloads, showcasing its ability to effectively deliver essential product information.